Hello everyone, welcome back. Today video is about Laravel Eloquent versus Query Builder, which is the best one and where we need to use Query Builder and Eloquent. So let's start it. The first one is Query Builder advantages. Performance is better than Eloquent. Why? To insert 1k rows, simple Eloquent takes 1.2 seconds and DB facade takes 800 milliseconds. So there is quite difference. So Laravel Eloquent slower than Query Builder. So Query Builder is faster, right? So the question arises, so why then Eloquent is a necessary of that? So why we not to use Query Builder for all? What is the reason why we use Eloquent? Why we are suggesting that Eloquent is best? So first understand, create a better relationship. We can create a relationship by using models. For example, we have two tables like users and post, and I want to fetch the user post. I simply create a relation in the user model and I can fetch the user post by typing the relation name. So we don't need to don't have any knowledge about joins. We can also get the user post with the joins. So that is the beauty of Eloquent. Then there is not much knowledge of SQL queries. If you are not familiar with the advanced queries like join, order by and stuff like that, you don't need to worry about anything. Laravel will do everything for you. And the third one is follow the rule of code readability. So code is very readable because there is small amount of code and it's very readable and understandable. And the fourth one is code maintainability. So code is shorter, so it's easy to maintain, right? And the fourth one is easy to understand. It's very easy to understand for new ones because they don't need to query with the database and joins and stuff like that. They need to just learn the Eloquent, and Eloquent will handle everything behind the scene. So then most important, if we want to change other database, then raw query will be a lot of headache, and this Laravel will solve all the problem. For example, we are working with the MySQL and now we decided to move to the PostgreSQL, right? So if we are working with the Query Builder, so there is a lot of issues. We need to manually go to the each files and change the name of the database and their columns and stuff like that. But if we are working with the Eloquent, we don't need to worry about anything. We need to just go to the database.php and change our database, and Laravel model will handle everything behind the scene. So that is the beauty of Laravel Eloquent, not Laravel. So let's take an example of real life projects, how you should do the better one for your project. So I'm making a university website which may contain maximum 5,000 teachers and 10,000 students and some notes and files. Then it's better to do with the simple Laravel Eloquent, which is standard and readable. So if you are building a universal site, you need to follow the Eloquent. Why? Because your data is not too much big. It's 10,000 is not too much, so you can follow this by using Laravel Eloquent. So it will support you by models, relationship and stuff like that. So in the other condition, like you have a lot of data in your application, like 1 crore post and many more things, then the Query Builder is the best choice because it's faster than Eloquent. So there is a lot of data, so it's easy to manage them from the Query Builder. So that's it. And if you have more knowledge about Eloquent or Query Builder, let's comment them in the comment section. So we'll discuss about that, which one is the best, where we want to use them and stuff like that. So thank you so much for watching this video and stay connected. Bye.